Welcome back to Drive X. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross finally arrives with a starting price of just around $28,000, and trust me, this thing is going to shake up the compact crossover world. You know that moment when a car pulls up and you instantly feel, okay, this one's different. That's exactly the vibe I got the first time I laid eyes on the new Corolla Cross. Toyota didn't just tweak a few lines, they've genuinely given it a more mature, modern, almost mini RAV4 presence. The front end now looks sharper, the LED DRLs have this confident, narrowed stare, and the grille has that subtle toughness that says, yeah, I'm small, but I can handle myself. Walk around it and you'll notice the new body contouring, clean, bold, and way more sculpted than before. The 18-inch alloy wheels fill the arches perfectly, the roof rails add some adventure energy, and the rear looks so much more refined this time. The new taillight design is sleek and connects beautifully with that updated tailgate trim. Overall, it feels like Toyota finally decided to give the Corolla Cross its own identity rather than making it look like a baby anything. But the real surprise hits when you step inside. Toyota has clearly been paying attention to what people want: comfort, simplicity, and a touch of premium without trying too hard. As soon as you open the door, the cabin feels more upscale than you'd expect at this price point. The new soft touch surfaces, cleaner dashboard layout, and redesigned steering wheel instantly make it feel more welcoming. The updated digital driver display is crisp and modern, and the center 10.5-inch touchscreen finally feels like it belongs in 2026, not 2016. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, the interface is smooth, the animations are quick, and Toyota has even improved the voice assistant so it doesn't act confused when you ask it something simple. Space-wise, the Corolla Cross still nails practicality. The seats are supportive, especially the new contouring on the 2026 model, and the rear passengers get surprisingly good legroom for a compact SUV. Even the cargo area is impressively usable, with a wide opening that makes it perfect for groceries, luggage, or that random trip to buy something you definitely didn't need from IKEA. The sound insulation is also noticeably better now, the cabin feels quieter, especially on highway runs. Now let's talk performance. And don't worry, I'm not going to throw engineering textbooks at you. The 2026 Corolla Cross keeps things simple and efficient, just the way everyday drivers love it. The updated 2.0-liter engine feels a bit smoother this year, delivering enough punch for city moves and confident overtakes without pretending it's a sports SUV. The hybrid variant is where the magic really is, though. Toyota refined the hybrid system for smoother transitions and even better fuel efficiency. This thing sips fuel like it's taking tiny polite sips of tea. The handling. Exactly what you expect from Toyota: light steering, predictable body control, and a ride that feels solid and planted. It's not trying to be flashy, it's trying to make your daily drive peaceful, easy, and comfortable. And honestly, it nails it. Now what's actually new for 2026? A lot, actually. You get fresher exterior styling, updated infotainment with better software performance, improved cabin materials, smarter driver assistance tech, and that more refined hybrid system. Toyota Safety Sense has been tweaked to respond faster and feel less intrusive, which is a big win. Compared to last year's model, this one feels more grown up, more confident. It still stays true to the Corolla Cross personality: reliable, efficient, and friendly. But now it has that premium on a budget feeling that the older models never really fully nailed. And maybe the biggest upgrade is the sense of value. You look at the starting price, then you sit inside, drive it, feel the refinement, see the tech improvements, and you genuinely go, Toyota, you did good with this one. Honestly, the 2026 Corolla Cross isn't trying to be flashy or loud. It's trying to be the car that just fits perfectly into your life. And sometimes, that's exactly what people want, a car that feels like it understands you. So that's my take on the new Corolla Cross. But now I want to know your thoughts. Would you pick the 2026 Corolla Cross over its rivals? Do you prefer the hybrid or the regular engine? And what do you think about the new design, upgrade or not? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because I love hearing your opinions. I'll catch you in the next one. Drive safe, stay happy, and enjoy the road.